Karndean Van Gogh Rigid Core luxury vinyl plank is an excellent choice for your space. These beautiful planks come in dimensions of 7 inches by 48 inches, feature a thickness of 4.5 millimeters, and a wear layer of 20 mil. Excellent for both commercial and residential settings, Karndean's design can withstand the wear and tear of everyday life. Van Gogh's planks even feature sound-dampening technology, which cuts down on unnecessary noise transfer. Their click installation makes this an excellent choice for do-it-yourself projects, as the flooring can be easily installed without the hassle of nails or glue. It can even be implemented over pre-existing hard surface flooring. With 26 colors, ranging from classic to contemporary, there is no shortage of options to make your space look perfect. Van Gogh is available at Georgia Carpet Industries. Visit georgiacarpet.com or call 800-535-8789 for more information, the best deals, and samples is available.